525 Magnolia Lane. Date is July 28, 2022. We're up in Edmonds here. I'm making a recording from this 4-inch diameter ABS cleanout here on the north side. I believe we're on the north side of the home here. Looking at that 6-inch diameter concrete line that's running out in the right-of-way there. There's a couple of small sections of concrete, almost looks like broken off sections of concrete pipe down there in that line. Let's see, I've got my footage. Well, we're zeroed out right here. Well, zero it out right here as we come back in this 4-inch diameter line. So back in the 4-inch diameter side sewer line that serves this home. Got a small flat bellied area right there, not overly concerning. Looks like some rock down in the pipe possibly, piece of rock in there. Very aggregate worn, old rough concrete pipe here. Section of roots there. Again, we look pretty flat, possibly bellied, possibly channeled through there. Another section with some roots. And then leave the ABS plastic ends right in there somewhere. But the ABS looks to be pretty flat or back graded itself. Yeah. Definitely looks like a line comes in. I'm going to end the video there. Take a look at some things here, but that's pretty flat right there, back graded.